And what's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel. We back with another bang. Today is another recap of the 8 accounts that I'm trading, man. You can't tell me that your boy is different. I'm the official Corey, the phone trader. I'm the official phone trader. We use 2 phones. One phone is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. We trade 3 Lucid accounts, 25K accounts. One of them is a 25K funded Pro account, and the other 2 are 25K Flex accounts. On the second phone we trade with is the Samsung Galaxy Fold 7, the one that flip out, look like a phablet slash laptop. We use that phone to trade 5 Take Profit Trader 25K accounts, man. So we getting ready to just get straight into it. Show you guys what I made and show you guys what I lost today from those accounts. So first, we're going to look at the Lucid accounts. All right, guys, so this is the recap of the 8 accounts that I'm trading. All right, so let's look at the very first account. The first account is going to be number 1. Account number 1 is the Lucid 25K funded account. This is the only funded account I got, and the rest of the 7 are evals. We're trying to get them funded, you know what I'm saying, to trade them in order to get a payout. This is the very first account, but baby boy, let me tell you, we officially hit the buffer today. So when you're trading Lucid 25K Pro accounts, you have to be at the buffer of $26,000 with 3 days of trading. We're way past the 3 days of trading. I have to have 3 trading days and be at the buffer of $26,000. Guys, we have officially passed the buffer. Now, anything after that is profit. So the lowest minimum payout that I can get from this account is $250. I want to go for max payout with this. In order to get max payout with this, I have to have this account at $27,000. That's $1,000 payout. The max payout I can get with this account is $1,000. So I'm just gonna see where we at. You know what I'm saying? See how I feel and all that. I really want either a 500 or a $1,000. We really want to go after the $1,000 though. That's the whole game plan. But we're just gonna take it easy. We're just gonna keep doing what we do. You know what I'm saying? But we are at the buffer. Let's go, baby. So let's look at the second account. Number 11, the 25K Flex account, 011. We made $254 today in this account. So we only need $1,000 more in order to pass this eval. All right, let's go to account number 3, 013. We didn't do too good in this account today, but it's all good, man. So we lost $392 in this account today. I took 2 $200 trades. Tried to take some bounces and it didn't work out. It's all good. I got 8 accounts to trade from, man. I'm just, hey, you next. I'm just going through them, man. So we got some work to do in this, but in order to pass these accounts, the 25K Flex accounts, I have to get a profit goal of $1,250. So that's what we're looking at. We lost some money today in this account. It's all good. But we have $608 left of drawdown in that account. Not too bad. Hey, we take $200 trades in these accounts. That gives us 3 solid good trades in order to lose this account. So we're just going to keep the risk management and the discipline, guys. I'm not going to do nothing crazy, and I'm not going to over risk. We're just going to keep using that same $200 to see if we can build our way back up. It is what it is. So these are the 3 accounts. Account number 1, we're at the buffer. We just going to keep trading it to see what's going to happen, man. Whether we take a 500 or a $1,000 out. 011, we only need $1,000 more in order to pass, and of course we need the full thing. We need $1,250 in order to pass this. But those are the Lucid accounts, 25K accounts. Let's go to Take Profit Trader accounts, man. Here we go, baby. So as you can see, we only lost 1 trade in one of these accounts today. I traded all these accounts. So let's look at account number 1, which is 910. We'll just say 10. Account number 10. You look to the right, you see that we made $277.50 in this account today. We are officially halfway. We only need $750 more in order to pass this. Now with Lucid 25K accounts, you need $1,250 in order to pass. With Take Profit Trader, you need $1,500 in order to pass. So in order to pass this account got to be at $26,500, and then the Lucid account has to be at $26,250. All right, so that's where we at, man. So we almost there, man. We currently have this account at $25,780. We need $750 in order to pass. Let's go to account number 62. This is the only account we did not trade today. I just decided not to trade no more. I didn't want to trade no more. After losing the trade, I'm like, yeah, I'm done. I'm good. I don't want to trade no more. So this account is sitting nicely. We roughly need about, I would say about $800. We need about $900. I said, no, it's $900. We need about $900 in order to pass this account, man. Let's go to account number 29. We took a trade in this, but we broke even. The way I trade, guys, once the market gives me half of my money, say for instance, if I'm taking a $50, say for instance, I'm taking a $200 trade with a 50-point stop loss. Once the market moves in profit of 25 points and gives me $100 in profit, I move my stop loss to break even and then see where it goes. And then I move my stop loss accordingly, half of my stop loss. So the market ended up stopping us out on this. We ended up making $30. Hey, $30 is better than nothing. Hey, it's better than losing. We kind of broke even, but hey, I consider that a dub, man. $30 is a dub. It's all good, man. But we need $1,000 more in order to pass this account. Let's go to account 70. You'll see that we made we lost $252.50 in this account today. I took this kind of late in the market today. I took it on a supply and demand, I think, and it stopped me out so fast. And this is what made me not trade my other account that I didn't trade today. I said, nope, I'm done. I do not want to trade anymore. But the account is still sitting nice. You know what I'm saying? We above break even. Hey, I couldn't ask for better, man. So we need about $1,300 more in order to pass this account. Let's go to account 61. This account is officially called Lazarus 2.0. This account was down at one time, y'all, to $24,300. I repeat, this account was sitting at $24,300. Yesterday we made $720 some, and today, guys, we made a nice profit of $568 today. We only need $1,000 more in order to pass this bad boy. You can't tell me that anything is possible. Hey, man, just keep using your same risk management, man. Hey, you keep doing your same rules. I keep using the same strategy, sticking to my risk management, staying disciplined, trying to not get greedy, man. And you know what I'm saying? It's working out for me, man. Stay the course and it will work out for me, man. So that's where we're at with all of our accounts, y'all. We're doing pretty good, man. Not too shabby, man. Doing pretty good for ourselves. This is the main one though, y'all. This is the only funded account I got, and we are officially above the buffer, y'all. So we're gonna keep tabs on this because we can officially get a payout soon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. All right, so y'all, that is gonna do for the recap. This is episode 2 of trading 8 accounts from 2 phones, y'all, man. You guys stay locked in, you guys stay tapped in. Hey, man, if I can do it, I know y'all can. Trading 2 phones with 8 accounts, you see it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, man. You can do it. You can do all things through Christ, which strengthens you, man. Don't let nobody tell you you can't do it. If I can, I know you can. That's gonna do it for me. Hey, y'all stay locked in, stay tapped in, man. I will see you guys on Friday, and I'm gonna give you another update on where the accounts are. You know what to do. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey, the phone trader guy, coming out, and you know the motto after every video, y'all. In 3, 2, 1, I holla. Peace out. We out of here like hot fish grease, baby. Yeah, I'm hungry right now. See y'all next time. Peace.